When I walk down the street, I see frustration on the faces of every Nigerian. There is untold hardship in their heart. The young people are hopeless and don't know what to do with their lives. They wake up every morning and they hustle till evening. They walk like an elephant. They feed like a rat. Because Nigerian currency keep depreciating consistently. In Nigeria, we say that the dollar is increasing in price. We use dollar because dollar is the model for measuring the value of other currencies. Just like hydrogen is a model for measuring the atoms. Now, you realize that Nigerian government should not allow such to be happening, but they seem reluctant, as if they don't understand the implication of the devaluing of Nigerian currency. Now, let me make it the way people will understand it, so that we will get the anger, we will understand the consequences. I want to put it in a way that will motivate us to consider the condition of our currency, the people in the government, and the citizens of the country in general. Now, look at dollar now. You consider that whatever amount of money which makes your country less than dollar should be used to find out the exact amount of money you're making in a country. You divide that amount of money that make your money less than dollar, and then when you make money, divide it by that amount, and then take only one portion. Let me make myself clear. Imagine the naira is $1 is equal to 400 naira at this point in time. Now, what this implies is, when you hustle as a Nigerian and you make money, that money you received is just one portion of the money. They divided what you're supposed to receive from that hustle. They divided it by 400, and then they give you one portion of it. The other 399 disappears. That money disappeared into corruption. It disappeared into embezzled money. It disappeared into mismanagement of the economy. That is where this money disappears into. This is why I have to put it this way, is for every Nigerian to understand that we are all paying price for corruption. So we cannot tolerate people in government embezzling public fund. We cannot tolerate them mismanaging our economy, and we be like, no, we are not interested. We have to let them allow this person to finish their tenure. We just be talking stupid politics about this, where we have each of us are paying price for this thing every day. These people were put in power to decide. If they are not doing it well, we employ them. We have to tell them enough is enough. Nobody in advanced nation will wake up every day and go to work if they know that if they make money, you divide their money by 400 and give them only one portion and take the other 399. They will commit suicide. But Nigerians wake up every day. Nigerian youths wake up every day. Nigerian parents wake up every day and go and hustle, knowing that this is their fate. And in the midst of that, we have a president who is not doing anything to make the situation better, rather worsening the situation. And in his response, he will call the Nigerian youth lazy. And his followers will join in calling Nigerian youth lazy. Today, lazy Nigerian youth is a highly used metaphor to define the young people in Nigeria. Young people who work hard, and at the end of the day, the value of their efforts, the value of their struggle and their suffering is divided by 400, and they get only 1%. And you people in power will make 399 to disappear. It's very, very painful. And people yet do it, and they are termed lazy. So that because they want to turn the frustration, the blame on the youth, rather than take responsibility for their actions. It is not the youth that, it those in power that will change it. The only thing the youth can do is to change those in power by protesting, by complaining. Because when people complain and it's not being listened to, it's still useless. But this is a big issue we are supposed to be worried about. This is where we change our destiny. It's not by going out to go and make money for yourself. If the societal money is failing, the societal economy, you will not be rich. You will also be failing no matter how much effort you're putting. If you're in Nigeria today and you have 1 million naira from all your hustling, multiply 1 million by 400, that will be 400 million. What it means is that the suffering you've gone through, you're supposed to get 400 million. But at the end of the day, you have only 1 million. If your mates in USA and other advanced nations put equal effort, they will be making about that 400 million naira from that your effort. But you put all the effort and you end up with only one. That's what it means. That's how you need to think about it in order to be as offended as I am. When I look at people mismanaging the economy, I think, okay, if I go out there to hustle to make money, and I come, I already know this money is being divided. And there is people at the top writing off this money through corruption, through embezzlement, through mismanagement. It's like, I don't know where to start. And we cannot go home and say, let's go and hustle. No, you are, or somebody will say, if you're talking, you're on your own. You're not on your own. This is for everybody. This is affecting everybody. It's affecting me. It's affecting you. Every day I see people wake up, they go to hustle and they come home frustrated, empty-handed. You carry huge amount of naira to market. You buy something that cannot fill one bag and the money has finished. That is why the money has been divided. That 50,000 you carry to market, they have divided it by 400. It is not something we will solve spiritually. It's something we need to go out there and confront these people. We cannot solve this problem spiritually. It does not have spiritual solution. I enter church and I look at the church members. All those pastors that were giving them prosperity gospel, their church members are becoming poorer and poorer every day. The pastors are beginning to defend themselves. What they are doing is that they are telling church members now that God does not bless you because you're a child of God. God just throws blessing just the way he allows rain to fall on everybody. But initially, people were lured to church by telling them that when you sow, the seed you sow will help you to succeed. This you do will help you to succeed. Today, go to most of those churches, those people they are becoming poorer and poorer because these things does not have spiritual solution. They deserve physical solution. They deserve us to come together and work together for our progress. They deserve us to change the people in the government. They deserve us to make sure that the mentality of the people we put in government is healthy and useful to the progress of our country. That is what it means.